Ancient Africans expressed the journey of the soul in mythology and symbolism. I found the symbols of the Black Panther movie and Wakanda interesting with the crossing of the arms. This has some truth in Kemetic science. On one level, the cross in Kemetic symbolic language is a universal archetype symbolizing how matter must have four elements to cross from the metaphysical world into the physical. This is symbolized in another way in Egyptian symbolism when you see a mummy's sarcophagus with his hands as one cross and the scepter and the flail making a second cross. It symbolizes a soul that is ready to live another life and cross from the metaphysical into the physical world. Christianity erroneously taught Jesus' death on the cross as an exception. Instead, all souls must die on the cross, which esoterically means losing its omnipotent awareness to manifest into physical matter. Esoterically, the holidays of Christmas and Easter illustrate the journey of all souls. The Christmas born of a virgin is the soul descending into matter or the feminine phase and dying. Easter is the soul elevating in awareness as a Christ and resurrecting from death or being unaware of itself. While in the physical and Kemetic science, we all died on the cross.